people who are accused of crimes and want to get on with their lives. And they feel that having that record out there prevents them from getting on with their lives. And that's why we actually did an informal poll of all of our members. And invariably, they all have a practice of updating stories. Someone asked whether we had times that we have refused to update stories. And we haven't had times that we refuse outright to update stories. We have had times where there's a conflict, and we actually need to go ahead and fact check what someone is telling us. This bill actually does not allow for that fact checking. It says that immediately upon written notice, and it doesn't specify what that written notice is. I know the Representative Flanagan claimed that that written notice would be from the court. It doesn't say that. It just says written notice. So someone could write to us and say, these charges were dropped. And we're supposed to immediately then update that story, which is a major practical problem. The practical problems here are huge. Both the out-of-state media problem, the fact that the biggest thing that most of the people that are calling us, and I get these calls, to answer Representative Hopper's question, I get these calls probably on average a couple times a week. I'm personally getting these calls, and that's not our entire newsroom, that's just me. When they're calling us, they're upset because they're on Google. They're not upset because they're on our website. They're upset because when they Google their name, a story pops up. And this does not address Google. This is